Alright, Alana, I want you to tell Mommy and Daddy how babies are made.
They're made of, they get in the bed, they get naked, and the boy get in the bed, and then the girl gets in bed, and then their private part touch the other boy's private part, and then the boy said they come through there and they spit it out.
What? What?
They do what? What was the last part?
They spit it out.
Spit what out?
The baby.
Oh, that is weird.
Okay. I can splice it together.
Okay. And that is Alana, age 7, interpretation of where babies come from.
Zay, where do babies come from?
Babies come from the mother's belly. They're made by them being made.
Okay.